All right, one of the last things you need to do is actually get music into your PowerPoint. So once your PowerPoint's all done, now is your time to kind of figure out what song you want to use and get that in there. So just so you guys know, here at Walnut Grove, if you're ever looking for some music, we have a bunch in our Common Drive. So if you go to the computer and you go to the Common Drive and you go down to Music for Projects, we have a whole bunch of music that you can choose from. Now, if you want some more music, just talk to your teacher and we can tell you how you can go about getting that. But for now, we're just going to pick something from here. So I think for my presentation, I'm going to use Journey, Don't Stop Believin'. So now, here's my presentation. I know I want the song to start on the very first slide. So I'm going to go up to Insert, and I'm going to go up to Audio, and choose Audio from File. And from there, I go into the Common Drive, I go into Music for Projects, and I find the song that I want. So in this case, Journey, Don't Stop Believing. Now it's going to put this little speaker icon right on your presentation, which normally I don't like that, so I usually just kind of hide it off to the side. Now you always want to test it to make sure it actually works. Okay, good. So this one works fine. So now if I just go ahead and play this presentation, and I click through, I don't get the music. So the reason is that there's some settings you have to put into PowerPoint to make sure it knows how to play that music. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the speaker, and I'm going to go back up to my animations, and if it's not on already, turn on your animation pane. So you can see on this very first slide, it's telling me right here that it's going to play Journey, Don't Stop Believing. But I need to open up my effect options and set a few things. And you're going to want to watch this closely because you want to make sure that it actually works for you. So start playing from the beginning, yes. But I don't want it to stop playing after the current slide. In fact, I want it to stop playing at the end of the entire presentation. I've got 4 slides, so I'm just going to put, I don't know, 10. Just pick a number that's larger than your entire presentation. So then I'm going to go over to timing. And in timing, I want it to start not when I click it, but I want it to start after previous, which means it's just going to automatically start once I start the show. And make sure that under triggers here, just make sure it says animate as part of a click sequence. And you shouldn't have to touch anything in your audio settings. So the big ones are start playing from the beginning, stop playing after a number that's bigger than your total slideshow, and under timing, change it to start after previous, and then make sure the triggers have animate as part of a click sequence. Now when I click OK, let's test this out. I got my music playing. I should be able to advance my slide now. And it'll take me through all of my previous settings for animation, and I've got the music going throughout.
Just a small town girl.
All right, that should get you guys going. Thanks.